Hey guys, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we are paying tribute to our favorite summertime snack, watermelon. But honestly, it's more than just a snack nowadays. It is a skincare savior, and this is not a new thing. It's actually been used for generations in Korea to help revive dehydrated skin, to help calm aggravated skin, and it can also reduce redness and even speed up the cell turnover process. Since watermelon is mostly just made of water, it's not very acidic, and it's basically a pure sugar, so pretty much all skin types can use it, which I think is amazing, and it can just help revive any complexion type. We have to start off with this brand new product from Glow Recipe. Well, this is the newest from their line. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. This is a sheet mask and it has like a really nice gel consistency. It's so amazing because it has watermelon and hyaluronic acid that help to hydrate the skin and just help to like tackle dullness and give you that glow, you know what I mean? So this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I'm pretty sure we all know and love this one. It pretty much just went viral last year because it was so amazing. So this guy is a sleeping mask. I apply it at night, and then whenever I wake up, my skin just feels so radiant, smooth, and soft, and I always feel like my makeup applies really nicely on top of it. And this one is also very cooling, hydrating, and it really helps to depuff the skin as well. So if you're looking for a nighttime moisturizer, this is an amazing one that is really hydrating, but it's actually still very lightweight, and again, can work for so many different skin types. Then moving on, we have a serum from Milk Makeup. This is a really unique product. It's called the Milk Makeup Watermelon Brightening Serum. So you can see it comes in this like very unique stick applicator, which is great for portability, or if you're doing any traveling coming up, you can just swipe it on. And the serum itself is super lightweight because you're really only depositing the amount of product that you need all over the face, and you can just swipe it away, rub it in gently, and you're good to go. And this one has a lot of like brightening capabilities, obviously, and it does help reduce the appearance of dark spots. Then moving over here, we have this guy right here, which is a moisturizer from Origins. This is the Origins Make a Difference Plus Rejuvenating Treatment. This one is gonna be amazing if you have super dry skin because it really helps to repair and just help to, again, rehydrate and get that super duper hydration into dehydrated skin. And this one actually helps to boost the skin's moisture reservoir as well. It's very lightweight. It has sort of like a gel consistency, which personally I always tend to go with gel consistency moisturizers just because I feel like it's lighter weight, it sinks in faster, and it makes my makeup apply a lot better over top of it. This one smells so good. Actually, all of these products smell amazing today, you guys. Plus we have fresh cut watermelons, so I'm just living my best life here with all of these watermelon smelling products. So next up, we actually have a lippy from Winky Luxe. This is the Watermelon Jelly Balm. This one is cool because it actually has pH activated ingredients in it, and it changes colors when you apply it to your lips. So you can see here, it looks like it's orange, but when you apply it to your skin, it comes out as more of like a fuchsia pink berry tone. It's really, really pretty. This one actually smells just like fresh cut watermelon. And then last up, this is a super exciting product because it's actually brand new. It's the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. This is actually gonna be in the August Glam Bag, so keep an eye out to see if you got it in your bag. And this is a really nice lightweight gel cream moisturizer. And oh my God, it smells so good. I'm not even joking when I say that this one smells like watermelon candy or something. It smells amazing, and it's a lightweight gel cream that really refreshes the skin and gets that ample amount of moisturization. It smells so good. So today we're gonna be giving away some of these amazing watermelon products that we featured inside of this segment. All you have to do to enter to win is comment down below what skincare ingredient changed your life? What changed your skincare routine forever? Comment down below and you could get some of these amazing watermelon products. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Roxette Arisa, and we'll see you next time on This Week in Beauty with IPSY.